The K-12 program is not abolished.
Hindi bubuwagin ng Commission on Higher Education ang K-12 program kahit pa tatanggalin na ang senior high school sa lahat ng state colleges and universities at local colleges and universities. Paliwanag ni CHED Chairperson Prospero de Vera III, wala sa kapangyarihan ng komisyon ang alisin ang programang ito ng Department of Education maliban na lamang kung aamyendahan ng Kongreso ang batas.
It's not within the power of the Commission to abolish the K-12 program. It is a law enacted by Congress. And K-12 will continue pursuant to the Republic Act that created it. So let's make that clear.
Ayon pa sa CHED, nagkaroon lamang sila noon ng kasunduan ng DepEd na i-accommodate ang senior high school students dahil sa kakaunting bilang ng mga mag-aaral o wala pang freshman students noong transition period. Dagdag pa ni Chair De Vera, hindi ang CHED ang nag-aalis ng SHS program kundi ang mismong SCUs at LCUs. Aniya, tapos na rin ang transition period at wala nang magagamit na pasilidad ang mga senior high school student sa mga pampublikong kolehiyo at universidad.
There are many state universities and colleges who have stopped offering their senior high school as early as 3 years ago.
Samantala, siniguro naman ng CHED na walang guro sa SCUs at LCUs ang mawawalan ng trabaho kahit pa tatanggalin na ang senior high school program. Ayon sa komisyon, mananatili pa rin ang mga ito sa pagtuturo sa higher education courses.
The faculty members in state universities and local universities and colleges who are teaching senior high are either regular teachers or part-time teachers of the public universities. And therefore, if they don't have any more senior high, most of them will teach the regular courses at the university level because they are not technically they are not high school teachers. They are higher education teachers teaching senior high school.
Umapila naman ang CHED sa publiko na huwag i-generalize ang sitwasyon dahil magkakaiba ang sitwasyon sa bawat lugar. Sa ngayon ay wala pa silang natatanggap na report kung may mga estudyante ang hindi nakapasok sa senior high school dahil sa pag-aalis ng programa sa mga SCU at LCU.
Please do not generalize for everyone because the schools and the students are differently situated across different regions of the country. We have been looking for solutions these past years.
Nangako naman si CHED Chairperson De Vera na handa silang makinig at tumulong sa anumang magiging problema ng mga senior high school student at siniguro na walang mga estudyante ang mapag-iiwanan sa darating na academic year. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.